Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is day 2 of 25 days with Toni, and if you guys are new here, my name is Toni-Anne. So if you watched yesterday's video, if you didn't, please check it out, first one. And I did the blindfold challenge, so if you want to see what I do in this video, then just continue watching. So yesterday I chose challenge number 6. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. So now I'm gonna click generate again, and it chose number 2. So let me see what number 2 is and I'll be right back. Okay, so challenge number 2 is doing one side of my face in 5 minutes and the other side in 10. I'm gonna put my hair back. You guys are probably gonna think I'm such a cheater. I knew I was doing challenges and I put bangs on. But I'm not changing my wig every day just to do a video. So do you know what? I will do my eyebrows actually. Part the waters. Yeah, I'm gonna do my eyebrows as well. So give me a moment to get my stuff together and then I'll be right back. I'll do the 10-minute one first and then I'll do the 5-minute. Okay, so there you go. There's the 10 minutes and it starts from now. Okay, I just wasted 2 seconds doing that. So I'm gonna start eyebrows. Okay. And I turned the timer away from me because I don't want to see it because I think that's going to freak me out. One eyebrow roughly done. Then where's my mirror? Making my life harder for no reason. Clean things. Freak it out. How do people stay so calm? Don't do this to me! Shit. I'm wasting time. Oh, my concealer really rolled underneath my desk. Got to use this. Let's see. Like, who don't want me to win out there? Let me know. This one went on quicker anyway. Bronze. That is not a bronzing brush, but just gonna have to do. Right. Then let's do eyes. Should I check the time? Let me check. Is it going? Oh, got 5 minutes left. Okay, I can do. Shut up. Oh, I broke a colour. Shit. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Just going to do 2 shades. That one. Why are you showing them anything as if it's a tutorial? It is not. Where's my other brush? I'm gonna use the same brush, yeah. Oh, I really love this palette. Where's the settings? I'll do that. So I have 4 minutes left. I'm gonna take advantage. It made absolutely. Oh, it did make a difference. My bad. Sort of pretty. Okay, blush. Move for 3 minutes. Pretty. Not my camera. Highlight. Yeah, that's pretty enough. Give it a natural glow. Mascara, which I put no lashes on in 10 minutes. I'm forgetting something. Highlight powdered lip. I'll do that lip in a second. I might finish with time to spare. Try not to get excited. Oh, this is pretty. I might just do this to work one day. And then let me go in with my Patricia lipstick. On one side. Okay. I think I'm done. I'm trying to think of anything else. Oh, setting. I think that's, let's see how much time I have left. Tell me it's the wrong password. 48 seconds. I finished with, pause. I pressed it by accident. Well, yeah. So I finished with 42 seconds left. I think this is quite pretty. Even my eyebrow came out quite nice. Okay, so we're gonna cut that time in half and do the other side of my face. Okay, so here you go. You see the 5-minute timer is right there, and I'm going to start it right now. Okay, eyebrow. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, man. I have to go a little bit faster than I was the last time. Oh, the concealer's still underneath the table. Oh. Do I waste time getting it? Of course not. Use different concealer for my eyebrow. Use the cream one. This is an eyeshadow brush. Ah. Got 4 minutes 17 left. You got this. You can do this. You can do it. Oh, this is gonna take longer. I'm dropping everything. This is too light as well. Sorry, I'm not even showing you, my bad. It's not bad. Just concealer's too light. Right, primer drops on the floor. Minutes. And okay, concealer. I'm gonna have to blend it in straight away. Some time for that. Powder. Right, I haven't bronze. Okay. Where's the blush? Okay. What's next? What's next? Eye shadow. Try and recreate the same look very quickly. And then this one. Where's the setting spray? I'll do it with my finger. I made it wet. I didn't mean to make it wet. I don't actually know how much time I have left. Brush I highlighted with, use a different one, I guess. Oh, poking my eye out. This is why I don't rush doing mascara. Lipstick. Oh, my eyes watering. Oh, I did it! Oh, I did it! Okay, be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I did it, guys! They don't look like obviously exactly the same, but I could get away with this, like going out. Let me look in my mirror again. Yeah, I could get away with this. Nobody would think I did one side quicker than the other. So this is the 5-minute side. Like obviously the blend and stuff could be a bit better. And then here's the 10-minute side. And then even look at my eyebrows. They look totally different. But considering how much time I had to do them, they came out pretty well. And even with the concealer trying to sabotage me, it's still underneath my desk. I did it! So, okay, let me know down below if you guys enjoyed the video. Come back tomorrow to see what challenge I'm doing. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye!